So like I said, I have the works, but I also have a couple slices from Miss Shan's pizza. I try to get out close up without messing up. So hopefully y'all can see that pizza. It is the works, so it has everything on it. As far as More Eats rules, you had to have at least 2 toppings on it. You had to eat 2 slices. It has to be covered in 2 times spicy sauce, which I have. I'm going to open up in a second from front of you. If I missed you, hey Lois. If I missed you, let me know. I will try to catch up to you, but I did see Lois sneak in. So I'm just gonna pick 2 random slices. I'm gonna go with the works over here for sure. Hey Annabelle. Oh, you're speaking to everybody else. Thank you. I hope I can get a few more people in here. Maureen's kind of like that hot stuff. She be eating it more than I do. I don't eat it that much. Once again, thanks for Vicky, because I wouldn't be doing this so fast if it wasn't for Vicky. I didn't expect her to send it this fast, but she did. Hey, me and Mrs. Jones, how you doing? How you doing? I don't want my pizza to get too cold. Hey, Andy Jones. I am going to taste a slice, though, just so I can taste it before my mouth get hot. Thank you for coming in. So you cannot drink until you eat 1 slice with the 2 times spicy on it. Oh, most definitely, Mr. Cowboy. Thanks for joining me and watching me suffer. Let me just, hopefully I can get to 20 people. I'm just prepping, man. I'm just getting some prep work on. I have a little extra drip. 16, we getting there. Where is More Eats? She shared me out. She's not here to watch me suffer with the 2 times. Miss Shan will not be participating in this live today. She take care of some other things, getting some videos done for you guys, so she can put out a new video for you guys, hopefully tonight or tomorrow. Just depends on how I feel when I get done with this. All right, 18. When we get to 20, I'm gonna start pouring this 2 times spicy sauce on there. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. Hey, delicious mukbang drummer. Thank you for showing up. Thank you. Who's is his favorite sauce? Who loves this sauce the most? Hey, Kerry Gosson. Hey, Daniel Washington. So look, we are past 20 now. We're getting there. So look, The goal is, oh, more EATZ is out of town. She shared me out, so I was hoping she would be in here. So the 2 times spicy sauce. If you never had a curry, I will send you some if you want some. You definitely can try it. Ginger Snap, she calls it devil's piss, I've heard. So I don't do good with this sauce. I can do hot sauce. I just don't like the taste of this hot sauce, all right? So you got 2 slices of pizza. I don't have a timer though. That's just it. I'm supposed to get it done under 2 minutes. So can somebody have a timer ready? Annabelle, somebody have a timer ready. And when I start eating, start timing me and let me know when I'm done how much time I got it done in, all right? You got me, Annabelle, with the time? Okay. I gotta beat 2 minutes. It's the goal to beat 2 minutes to beat the challenge. You can also beat her. Her time is like 4 minutes and 3 seconds. So I have to get it done. All right. This is a new bottle, so I gotta open it all the way up. Hey, Glitter Unique. I ain't trying to get none on my fingers beforehand. All right, here we go. Say y'all cover it. Y'all ready? I'm nervous. I really don't like this sauce. Okay, that's covered. Y'all see that? It's sauce from the top to the bottom. It's sauce all on there. Y'all saw it squirting out. I gotta do it in 2 minutes with the 2 times spicy. Can't drink until I eat 1 slice. Annabelle, you ready? Get ready, Annabelle. Get ready. I'm going to go with the biggest slice first. I'm already sweating. Y'all notice I'm already sweating? All right, Annabelle, tell me exactly how much time I got. I got it then, all right? You ready? I have 2 minutes to eat, 2 times spicy over my pizza. Y'all ready? I see that sweat. The sweat is real, baby. Sweat is real. That stuff's hot. So maybe a wet one for my fingertip. Hopefully I'm still alive. My tablet lost connection. Oh. 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 That stuff's hot. That stuff's hot. Miss Sand's on the sideline laughing at me. She can say hi from there, though.
Hi from there. He wanted me to do this, but I'm not about to do it.
Thank you guys. Hey, maybe I'll eat another slice for y'all. I've never had this one outside of the soup pack, so maybe I'll try that one. This one's still hot, so maybe I'll burn a little bit more for you guys if you stick around.
I'm gonna get hot stuff on my fingers.
My mouth's burning. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I still see y'all there. Still 19 in here. Thank you for the one sticking around. Carrie asked how you doing, Miss Shan.
I'm doing good, Miss Carrie. What was hot? The first bite? The first slice or the second slice?
Well, the first one was hot because you couldn't drink. So all that stuff's in your mouth. So unless you can swallow it all, you just had all that stuff just in your mouth. Oh, so it was hot. Yeah, I'm not getting those comments over here. Okay, here we go. I got to challenge two people. So, Real Ralph and MUKBANG, I challenge you. Let's see who else I can challenge from the chat. I'm going to challenge Rodney and Janelle. Janelle, if you want to do it, you come on out of retirement. Get you some pizza, 2 slices hot and ready. Go ahead and do it. Annabelle, you know you're more than welcome to do it. House of X Entertainment. This is for more eats that support more eats challenge. The 2-time hot and ready. Woo! Let's try this. We're gonna burn tonight. We're gonna keep burning in, huh? Let me open up this other one. Huh?
You want another wet one?
Yeah. That one will be strictly for my face. Thank you. Did you get that shot? I ain't messing with that stuff. I know in the soup this is still hot. Oh, Weak laughing at me. Which one? This one got a big old mushroom on there for you cowboy. It's got a big mushroom for the cowboy. Hey, be there, Maisie. Man, you ate all that candy, man. This ain't as bad as that candy This might help you flush your system out. You say drink some liquor now. Liquor downstairs, man. It's too far. Hey, everybody that just got here, everybody that's here. We going through all the sauces thanks to Vicky. I didn't really ask for it, but I didn't want to turn it down either. What, you just gonna sit there and watch me and laugh again?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going for another slice. We're going for the pink stuff. We already did the challenge. We was able to, well, you're gonna have to rewatch it. If you didn't see me do the challenge, you gotta rewatch the video and watch the challenge part of it. Now we on to the mukbang part. How are you drinking my drink?
I'm thirsty.
Andy said hi, Miss Ann.
Hi, Miss Andy.
Man.
You know that crust was different though, like that. That's different.
I didn't know. I put the extra stuff on there.
I don't know what it is.
This one ain't as hot, but it's hot.
You ain't have it 3 times spicy.
No, I ain't did it 3 times yet. It's hot though. My whole mustache is burning. I don't know if I wish Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the chat. If I didn't say that. Happy Mother's Day to everybody in the chat.
Happy Mother's Day.
One more. Yeah, we're gonna eat one more. I'll eat as many of them as I can. If y'all sit on here, man, I'll try another one after this one if I can finish it, alright?
This box is so cute. It couldn't possibly be hot.
Oh, this pink is not hot. Oh man. Hey, nobody eats. As you can see, I'm sweating, so you know something happened. Happy Mother's Day to you, nobody eats. Well, thank you for showing up. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching me eat too much of this pizza with this hot stuff on it. Might be like Merch Show, like, yeah, I need some tips, you need to see me. Woo! Oh, man. I'm gonna try the hottest one again. I'm gonna try a couple dabs of this one again, all right? Oh, Mr. Smooth One. Welcome to the Big Belly membership, please.
Give me a fan.
Let me moderate you, man, if you ain't already a moderator. All right, Mr. Smooth One, you are a moderator. Please drop your link. If you do not have Mr. Smooth One, please go run over and check him out. Please drop your link. The Portal, formerly known as The Portal, currently known as Politics as Usual. How you doing, my man? Welcome for coming. Welcome for coming. Thank you for coming. I'm about to go to my fourth 2 times spicy.
I should just do the whole pizza, Bobby.
Oh, man. I don't know. Let's see.
No, don't.
Hey, give me some thumbs up if you're ready. Give me some thumbs up.
Yeah, try this one. Why'd you get that one?
Because that's just one, not as hot as this. This is the one that actually had a little different flavor. That's just what you should try first time since you got a slow walk in.
No, I'll do my own.
Oh, man.
Noodles or something.
Please go connect to Mr. Smooth One. Please. Mr. Smooth One's been riding me for a long time. At least 6 months. What's funny is it's dripping from the cap. Woo. Of course, you would put a thumbs up, Gary, but I promise you, I have your address. I will send you some 2 times and expect you to eat it. Is it salud? But it's not a drink. Is that rude?
No, it's fine.
Ooh, that would hit different. You know, when you eat this one, it's like, woo! You put this one on there, it hits you harder. Woo! Man. Oh yeah, drop them triple B icons. Yeah, I forgot my members have little icons they never use. Use them. Drop them. Wow. Which one? This one? That one good? Nobody eats? Carrie, I'm gonna send you a bottle of this, I promise. Man, I ain't ready for that yet, cowboy. I don't want to ruin the pizza. Miss Shan might want another slice of this, the works. You see it's still on there. You see it straight down the middle. Just hit the little, instead of hitting the chat line and putting up your keyboard, just hit the little emoji in the chat line. Not from your phone, but from the chat icon. That's emoji. What?
It feels like he just turned on like a faucet.
I took the sweat off that 2 times.
Nita, come look at your father. Where did you look at it? Where did you look at it? Your hand's shaking.
Champagne belly bubble still won't go away. Last year my best man hit a stain with that face. Now he's gotta help me underwater.
I ain't trying to pour it out. How about that, Donald? I got both of them on there for you. Oh. They know that dancing. Hey, T and Renda TV. Woo!
Don't let her lick your fingers. Okay, yeah. Looks a little hot though.
It's hot.
There's a lot of hotness.
I can't eat all this. This is a whole large pizza, cowboy. I ate a whole, well, no. I never ate a large pizza by myself.
Stop.
This piece don't want to go down. It's too hot. And a whole piece of Mr. Smooth one. Mm-hmm. Well, this is my 5th slice. I only got 3 left. It's 8 in the large. It's my 5th slice with 2 time on it. Oh yeah, I'd like to see that. That's a Harold Kumar. Yeah, I ate 5 slices with 2 time. I don't hold out too much longer. I'm gonna finish off this. I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna dab for the road, guys. I'm gonna dab. I did the official challenge already, Robin Smith. You had to eat 2 slices under 2 minutes with 2 times spicy. Oh, I did that. Now I'm just eating the rest of the pizza with the 2 times. That's my last bite. You know it's bad when you got a towel, girl. That was hot.
Yeah, wipe your hands off before you touch this. So wipe your hands off before you touch this.
I don't know, let me readjust. I don't even want to see this plate no more. Oh, this stuff's just sitting in my mouth. Silos, I challenge you to the 2 times hot and ready challenge by more eat, Silos. I know you want to do it. Yeah, I think I'm done now. 5 slices with 2 times spicy sauce on it. That was good enough for me. Plus, I wasn't trying to eat a whole pizza. You know, the cheese on this pizza is going to hurt me more than that 2 times spicy. So, I mean, it's like I ate a medium pizza at least with 2 times spicy sauce. That's enough. Yeah, I'll try it again. I would try to eat a whole pizza with 2 times spicy sauce in under 10 minutes if I was to ever do it again. I would try to do a medium pizza with 2 times spicy sauce in under 10 minutes. If I could drink the whole time, I would try to do it under 5 minutes. Since I know I can eat a medium pizza in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, so I would say with 2 times spicy, I would try to do it as a 10-minute time limit, medium pizza, covered in 2 times spicy. Somebody wants to create it, go for it. If not, I already claimed it, if you do. I appreciate the 23 that's in here, that everybody that's been watching, I really do. It was hot. If you missed it, you can always replay the actual challenge part. But I did put the 2 time on everything, so I appreciate it. But I'm giving you guys a little bit more longer to get to know everybody. If everybody doesn't know who Glitter Unique is, if everybody doesn't know who Surrender TV is, or Queen Sugar Experience, Silos, you got Mr. Smooth Ones, please get to know each other. Oh man, who's up next, man? Comment below who's up next. Comment below who's up next. Silos EATZ says, happy Mother's Day to everybody. Aiden said, hey Bob. I say, hey Aiden. How are you? CeeLo's, he's gonna kill it. That's what he say, right? He probably got 2 times sitting next to his nightstand when he is asleep. He probably reach over and take a shot. Woo! That's how he wake up in the morning. I mean, CeeLo's like that. I'm about to send him that extra spicy chum sauce. He looked at you and laughed. Hey, MRTV, how you doing? How you doing? Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I guess I can stick around a little longer. Y'all still in here. Really, how long have I been on? Is it past 30 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna stay on probably a few more minutes for you guys. Hey, that's a song there. And y'all notice I have my Buffet King on. This used to be one of my first challenge shirts. Of course, it's all faded and tore up now, but if you don't know who Notorious B.O.B. is, and I actually am telling you about him for the first time, go check out Notorious B. One of the top professional eaters in the world. I'm talking about, he's still crushing records. When I say crushing records, he's eating like 10, 15 pounds worth of food at a time. He would eat 5, 6, 7 of these pizzas in one sitting, if not more. But if you go over for the first time, let him know Triple P sent you. Diva said hi. Oh, wow. Let's catch up on some of the chat here. I wish I could somehow add the time to this video, but judging by the chat, Annab3LL said I got done with about 1:30, so I have about 30 seconds left, so that's cool. Definitely. Glad you're doing all right. That is for sure. So what, Cowboy say Maurice out of town? Where's she in Las Vegas again, partying?
She's in San Diego.
Oh, she's still in San Diego? She's been there a while, ain't it?
She should be coming back, I think.
I appreciate, like I said, everybody that showed up, everybody that's here to support, anybody that's here for the first time, thank you. If you came just to see me suffer, I still appreciate you showing up. I really do. For some odd reason, I just don't want to smell this pizza right now. I just want to close it up. What you got coming out tomorrow? New video coming out tomorrow? Alright, that's cool. What was that? Let's keep it up there. I'm about to end the video today. Alright, like I said, I do appreciate the 24 that's in here, man. Y'all really have to rewind to see y'all can make sure y'all see some of that goodness, man. You know, like I said, I appreciate y'all coming, man. I'm just like I said, I'm letting y'all talk to each other in the chat for a little longer. If you got any questions you want to ask, go for it. This week's gonna probably be a little different. This week's gonna be a little different with my video dropping. I'm gonna try to drop them every day, but you're gonna get some exciting videos this week. That's why I probably go live more this week than I do drop videos. If I do go live, I'm gonna do my best to have some delicious food and mukbang some food for you. I'm cool now. I mean, I'm not necessarily full. You know, I'm not full off the pizza by far. I didn't really eat much today. I think I just had breakfast and omelet that y'all saw me post earlier. I was able to eat some of that. Miss Shan was nice enough to leave for me. Other than that, no, I didn't eat much, so I had a lot of room left. I was scared to put food in my stomach because the 2X'S spicy sauce, it messes with me sometimes. So I never know how I'm going to react on it. So I didn't want to have a lot of food in there, to be honest. That omelet was really good. The potatoes was good, too. But yeah, Buddah, if you never had 2X'S spicy sauce, you know, it's hot. For what you can buy on a bulk, a regular basis or whatever, the 2X'S is up there. I would say 2X'S is like blazing buffalo wing sauce, you know? It creeps up on you and it hits you. So if you know what blazing buffalo wing sauce tastes like, 2X'S in the category of that. Diva, you cannot have nothing up here. You cannot have nothing up here. So you need to leave me alone. Go bark at somebody else. Yeah, I know you don't do spicy. I mean, if your mom want to try it, Buddah, tell her to feel free to try it and let you know. Man, Diva being, she wants some of this stuff, but I'm not about to give her nothing. Oh, thank you, Andy Jones, for the super chat. Andy is the most wonderful supporter. She is the real deal. Thank you very much. You are the greatest, Andy. Like I said, I really do appreciate everybody that stuck around. I'm gonna try to ride this out a little bit longer, just a little bit longer. I like to end it on even numbers, but it definitely was a fun challenge. Like I said, every weekend, if I don't do challenges during the week, I'm at least going to try to knock out 1 to 2 challenges by my members. I do have some members challenges already lined up. I dropped little hints and spoilers already. So I will be including some members challenges inside of my videos this week. So stay tuned by the weekend. So I think Antoinette Had Fun has a challenge I need to do. Me and Mrs. Jones is Zero or Hero Candy Bar Challenge. I bought the candy bars, but I ended up eating them before I could film. They were just so good, I couldn't resist. So I ate my candy bars before I did the challenge. If you're talking to us, nobody eats, we relax. Hopefully you had a good Mother's Day. Yeah, is that is it a new Marksman? Because I remember the Marksman before. I just watched some movie. Thank you, Andy Jones. Once again, enjoy the rest of your evening. If it's back to business as usual for you tomorrow, back to work. Have a wonderful day at work. Have a blessed week, Andy. Have the best week of your life this week, followed by the next best week of your life the week after that. And you know the pattern, it just keeps getting better and better. Just enjoy it. Stay positive. I watched the movie 4:40 a.m. comes fast. I know it do. I know it do, Andy. I know it do. If y'all didn't catch MRTV and the Cowboys breakfast live mukbang, go rewatch that and watch that. They had a live this morning. I know it's kind of early on Mother's Day, so you guys might not have seen it right away, but please go check it out. So it looks like it's going to be 45 minutes in about 2 minutes. That's when I'm going to go ahead and end this. You say, what's my next challenge? You know, it just depends on what you call a challenge. I would like to do I don't know, like I said, I guess I got me and Mrs. Jones challenge to knock out. I might knock out CeeLo's each challenge. Antoinette Fun has a challenge. You know, I try to do everybody's challenges, but I also try to do challenges that actually challenge me. And that's not to take away from anything else, but it doesn't take me 2 minutes to eat a candy bar, you know, or if I'm really trying. So I try to do more of the food challenge I like to eat. So if you know a challenge out there that's doable, Robert, that you would like to see me do, that is eating some food, like real food. Say if you want to see me eat like, how many Italian beef sandwiches or something I can eat or something, just something challenging. If it's something out there, let me know. I like to test my limits a little bit. But if I'm going to do something, I'd rather it be good. The 2 times spicy was a challenge for me because I don't necessarily do well with 2 times spicy. Yeah, you missed the heat up. I've already cooled off. I even had a towel girl that cooled me off. This shit had to wipe me down. All these towels are wet because I had to have some extra wipe. So, definitely missed it, real girl. And I'm actually about to get up out of here in a few more minutes, but everybody keep popping up. Now we're back up to 20 people. Baby, I made me want to eat another slice, but I can't eat another slice. But real girl, if you were wine today, I definitely take 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 slices. He even ate 5 slices, which is probably about a medium pizza covered with 2 times spicy sauce. So definitely go back and watch me sweat. No. Diva say I'm back again. Robert Smith, go back on my Diva. Out. Hold on. Can you leave, please? Can you leave? Robin Smith, if you go back in my videos, I did a challenge called the Healthy Heptathlon that I created with Real Ralph and MUKBANG. I pretty much ate like a gang of fruit. When I say a gang of fruit, I had everything on there. Kiwi, oranges, apples, grapes, cherries, strawberries. Man, I had a whole bunch of fruit. It was a lot of fruit. You got 15 minutes to eat it. So I definitely done that. The DCNC family challenged me to a DCNC family challenged me to a fruit challenge. Hey, Aunt Essence and Sonia. So I'm gonna do their fruit challenge. Me and Miss Shan are actually gonna do both their challenges. Diva, I'm gonna need you to stop. Can you stop? Hey, hold on. Get. Try to hit it with the garbage can. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't hitting it hard though. She wanted to bite something. She had to bite that garbage can, not my hand. I keep, what 30 tiny tacos, Ralph? Because I ain't seen no 30 tacos from them. I saw them doing 15 tacos the other day. But you know, me and Big Dog Plate did the 24 tacos. So, is it 30 real tacos or 30 tiny tacos? Because 30 tiny tacos ain't gonna take nothing but a couple minutes. So if it's 30 real tacos, I'll do that. But I know I saw Ray Sean and another guy, it was 30 tacos, but they ate 15 apiece. So 15 apiece, I've already done 24th Street tacos with Big Dog Plate. What's up, Snack King Cole? You know, just enjoy some pizza with some 2 times spicy sauce on it. Just enjoying me a little bit. Yeah, the tiny tacos ain't a challenge. If I ate 24 street tacos, 30 tiny tacos won't do me no justice. I'll just be eating that for fun. And honestly, I don't even think it'll take me. It'll take me 3 minutes to eat those. Maybe 2 minutes. What was the time limit on it? Like 5 minutes? 10 minutes? I honestly don't think it'll take me more than 2 to 3 minutes to eat 30 tiny tacos. I mean, they are good though, you know, but that'd be a snack. That'd be like seeing me eat 2 cheeseburgers, you know, that ain't really no fun. 5 cheeseburgers, maybe. All right, so we're definitely down under 15, so I'm gonna go ahead, what did it say, what? The 2 slabs of ribs? Yeah, I'm supposed to do that with Big Dog Plate. 2 slabs of ribs seems tasty. I can definitely try that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, guys. It's getting close to an hour. I do appreciate everybody that was here. Eat about 2 tacos. What's wrong? She can eat more than 2. Nobody losing eating ribs. Nobody. Yeah, like I said, I think the Big Dog do 2 slabs or 3 slabs of ribs. But yeah, you can't go wrong with that, especially if they just falling off the bone and melting in your mouth. You definitely can't go wrong with that. Like I said, all these people here, if y'all need to run their list, run their list. Hey, Bayou, how you doing? All right, so as soon as I get up, I'm gonna turn this off. I do appreciate all you guys. Y'all have a good night, all right? Peace. Big Belly Bob is out.